A ray of light passes through an equilateral prism such that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of emergence. The angle of emergence is 3 by 4 times the angle of prism. Calculate the refractive index of the glass prism. Now in this question you are given an equilateral prism. Equilateral prism means the angle of the prism is 60 degree. So angle A is 60 degree, and it is also given that angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence. So this is the normal on the first face of the prism, and this is the incident ray. So this is your angle I. Refracted ray, normal on the second face. This is emergent ray. So this is angle of emergence. And if it is given that angle I is equal to angle E, it means this is the case of angle of minimum deviation. This happens at angle of minimum deviation, which is called as DM. Whenever there is angle of minimum deviation, there are two conditions for this to occur. Number one is angle I will have to be equal to angle E. Number two is refracted ray will be parallel to the base of the prism. In this question, angle I is equal to angle E given means it is all happening at angle of minimum deviation. Now let us come to the another thing given to you is angle of emergence. The angle of emergence is 3-4 times the angle of prism. So I can write angle E equals to 3 by 4 into angle of the prism, angle A. So I can substitute the value of angle A, 3 by 4, angle A is 60 degree, cancel, 45 degree. This is angle of emergence, and angle E is also equal to angle I. So I can write it as equal to angle I also. So angle E we have obtained as 45 degree, which is same as angle I. Now we have another relationship between the angle of the prism, angle of deviation, in this case it is DM, angle of minimum deviation is equal to sum of angle of incidence plus angle of emergence. And because angle I and angle E are same, I can write angle I also as angle E. So I will get this equal to 2E. Now from these two, A plus DM equals to 2E. How much will be DM? DM will be equals to 2E minus A. E we have already found 45 degree. So 2 into 45 minus angle of prism is 60 degree. So DM will be how much? 90 minus 60 degree. So angle of minimum deviation is 30 degree. What you have to calculate? The refractive index of the glass prism. Now I have calculated the value of D, which is DM in this case, and we know that refractive index, this is the common formula for refractive index of the prism, given by sine of angle A plus DM upon 2 divided by sine A by 2. So this will be equal to sine angle A is 60 degree, DM we already know now 30 degree, divided by 2 upon angle A is 60 degree. तो साइन A by 2 हो गया हमारा, साइन 60 upon 2. So how much will be the refractive index? This gives you 90 upon 2, which is 45 degree. So sine 45 divided by sine 30 degree, और हमारा साइन 45 होता है 1 अपॉन √2 डिवाइड बाय साइन 30 इज 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 का reciprocal होके 2 will go here. So this will give you 2 upon √2. I will rationalize it. Rationalize the denominator में आपका √2 है तो multiply and divide by √2 into √2, 2 √2 divide by 2, 2 cancel. So √2 is the value of refractive index of the prism. So answer is √2.